How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. I hope everything is working on the stream because I didn't do much preparations. I changed the camera angle a little bit, and yeah, my main screen is now on a different place. But we should be good to go now. Again, not planned. Very spontaneous stream. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I got some ideas and got a lot of things to do actually, so should be pretty busy. So yeah. First of all, I want to build some packages. Let's start by doing that. Hello, welcome, Fern Bay. How's it going? Okay, so there was one package that was recently released, but it then re-released itself, kinda. So I don't know. I guess I need to like remove the source first and rebuild. Man, I don't like when upstreams retag their changes and like, you know, force push releases. It's super annoying. But yeah, let's just do that. First of all, I'm gonna remove the source and I'm gonna actually go to the build server and remove the source from there as well because I need the updated checksums. It should be 116, yeah. Okay, and when I do the update command, the hash will actually change, I guess, because they kind of force pushed another release. Yeah, as you can see, the checksums have changed. So I need to rebuild this package and re-push it. Kind of annoying thing to do, but anyways, that's something that we need to be doing. Oh wow. Actually, I can just show it to you. Okay, rebels in the sky. That's the project. Hold on, I don't have the dark team. Okay, should be good now. So they like released this 4 minutes ago, but actually I got like 5 emails from the same release. So they kind of like push new releases on top of new releases. Kind of not good. I'm gonna actually let them know about it. Really? Okay, what should be the title actually? What was the... Okay, one... Okay, that should be enough. Very brief, very explanatory. Hello, Pawn Writer, welcome. How's it going? So yeah, as you can see, the build package is in the repo. Okay, so I need to actually bump the package rel because you know I don't want to push. I cannot push on top of another package, but yeah, you see, it's kind of annoying because yeah. Also, I just remembered that I should be creating a... No, actually, I need to comment on this issue because... Oh, not this issue, a pull request, okay. Okay. So yeah, today I worked on adding a minimal example to this repo. And I kind of like share the stream link here, and so the author, you know, it's actually kind of fun because you know, imagine someone sending you a PR and sending you another link which shows them how you did that stuff for your project, for their project. So it's kind of fun. So yeah. Also, I had one idea where I wanted to get a random effect to render, and I think it would be kind of fun. But actually, let me ask this in the issue. Okay. So now this is built. We can just push this to the repos. Of course, I have some shell scripts to do that. It's being pushed. Let me check the stream. Guys, if you have any questions or anything, just feel free to ask them in the chat. I'm happy to stop my process, whatever I'm doing, and just answer your questions. Or if you want to say something, go ahead. I like these streams when they're more interactive. So, yeah, go for it. Oh my god, my back is killing me. That sound was not from my back, by the way. That's from the chair. Oh god. By the way, in case you didn't know, this t-shirt is not just my logo, not just my project's logo, Gitcliff, but it is also, it has another feature which shows you the dates for my upcoming tour. I don't know if you can see it. I guess you can see it, right? It basically says open source world tour and it has the list of my projects. Yeah. We are dripping today. I just realized a slight delay on my video. That should be fine. Okay, guys, now this is done. What's next? Oh, there's one comment that is related to the tachyon effects library. Let's see. Okay, tweak effects, params, and add a call is effective with popping text. Oh, okay. Tertiary sweep in text from the left before reversing the effect. Then we call this the text back to. Okay. So that looks kind of interesting. Let me try it. So if I go to main, nice shirt. Thank you, NEIIIC. I appreciate your comment. I will actually start a merch shop soon. In the future, not soon, but gonna definitely happen. I really want to make it happen. So is this push to development? Okay. Okay, rebase it. Rebase. What the hell, man? Oh, I'm on main, that's why. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna do it like this. Alright. Let's see the minimal example now. Oh, that's way better. Nice. I like it. Very cool. Very cool stuff. Looks way better. Okay. What's next? I'm just checking my mails, guys. Checking those emails. I'm gonna skip those projects. Okay. I think I have an idea. Oh, oops, sorry. I need to go from there. Okay, I'm gonna find something. Okay, I got an idea. I wanted to contribute to Rio again, if you guys remember that. Rio is a terminal. Pretty cool project. Okay, so this issue, I guess I'm gonna work on it. It's basically add support for leader key when configuring bindings. So what is leader key exactly? Support for leader key prefix when configuring. What's control B? First of all, is control B related to some leader key stuff? Okay, so Okay, what's Western is doing actually? Western. Let's see what's up with the leader key. Oh, that's a really cool screenshot actually. Damn. Okay, leader key. Special model modifier state. Okay, leader key. Can I see the documentation? Okay, a leader key is a model modifier key. If leader key is specify the configuration. Okay. Okay, I see. So it's gonna be somewhat like a new mod for the key bindings. Let's see. Look at this. Your branch is ahead of origin main by 1.5k commits. Okay. Sounds legit to me. That's a super boring issue though. I don't know if I want to work on it now, but let's see. At least I will take a look and see what we can do, and if that's gonna take some time, then I'm kind of sleepy, so I'm not sure. Okay, so default key bindings. And here okay, I'm not sure actually. Well, can I get the config somewhere and take a look at how this might look like? Okay, so key bindings are configured like this. Okay, I'm gonna actually dump my thoughts on the issue. Okay, so Western uses something like this, right? So leader key space and gonna activate the control. And how do we make this look good now? Okay, control B and C. All right, so gonna be and yeah, some like this would be nice, I think. Okay, what happens if I do this now? Okay, I kinda forget to comment this out. Okay, now it should be good. Now nothing happens. Maybe I can try. Control B is bell. Hello night. Welcome to the stream. Alright, I'm not sure how to implement this actually. Default key bindings. We can do some like binding mode. Okay, I need to. Why don't you stream on Algora? I don't know what streaming on Algora means. I never seen such thing. I don't know. I never used Algora. Should I do it? So I need to go to the place where key bindings are being parsed. For that I'm gonna go to the config. And keys. Binding, okay, struct bindings. Bindings, okay. And here. Oh, we have mode actually. Algora.tv, let's check. Algora.tv. I don't know, maybe I should stream there. What's the catch? How to live stream? Interesting. I'm sure they will be happy to see you among them, special for developers. Alright. Do you like, do you get like special features here, like, I don't know. I'm actually gonna jump right into some of them. Oh, you use GitHub to chat? Interesting. Do people donate here or something? And is this being cross-streamed over YouTube or no? Interesting stuff, man. Thanks for the idea though. I'll definitely check it out. Looks interesting and might be a thing that I can do. Is there any Rust streamers here actually? I don't know anybody from this list. Oh, I know this guy. Jan. I know him from socials. Building an AI chat. No, I don't have that much of quality though. I mean, look at my setup compared to these people. So there are very few people inside. I'm sure they will put you in the foreground. Very cool. I can actually reach out to them actually, like, might be interesting. And yeah, looks really nice. Thanks for sharing. Run with live stream billboards. This is good. Yep. Oh, modes actually would be better here. Just realized. Mode, yeah, it should be mode instead of it. Binding mode. I'm not sure how this is being parsed. Because I'm thinking binding mode, no. Oh, I think those are not related, but okay, let's actually see where this is being used. How do I do that? I'm gonna search for symbols. No, not search for symbols. Search for references. Okay, it's being used here. Oh, interesting. Being passed to it being passed to the default key bindings function, which we were just using, and unprocessed config key bindings. And then it's being passed to this function again, and then it's being converted right here. Okay. Okay. And how is this being converted? That's the question. So okay, I think I got it. What we're gonna do is pretty much like take what's inside the config key binding, but I'll also like, okay, I need to maybe, okay, hold on, default key bindings, and where this is being used again. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this. Instead of passing the keys to it, I'm gonna pass the whole thing, like the bindings, and I'm gonna add keys. Can the musics in cool mode files be used for your YouTube stream? So will there be a CC license problem? It's a very good idea. It's actually, oh my god, this is a really good idea. I can do that. I don't think there will be any issues, and it'll be so fun. Oh my god, man, you're great, man. Thank you. Like, wow, you just saved me from a lot of trouble, and you just gave me the coolest idea ever. So for those who don't know, I made this website for mod files. It's pretty much for playing mod files from like old old music files basically, and it just plays them randomly. There's no promise here, like you won't like get good stuff in here sometimes, but we can just try, you know. You should just give it a shot and see how it goes. It's good so far. I never heard this, by the way. I don't know if it is too loud or is it okay? Kinda weird music, but okay. Holy shit, this goes hard, bro. I'm gonna download this shit. Just let me know if it's too loud or too annoying. And just change it, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to take not config key bindings, but bindings. Okay, now we pass in the leader here. I'm gonna check where I should be parsing it. Let's actually do something like this to see how this is being parsed. Binding and tracing. Debug, yeah, debug should be good. That was an interesting music. Let's see what we'll see. Okay, that's a even more interesting stuff. Actually, I like it. I'm gonna like. I'm gonna like it. Oh, wait. So, an Easter egg about this website. I'm just gonna reveal it. What you can actually like click this more, like more than one time. So it will just gonna keep spamming messages, and at some point you'll get like some custom messages and so on. And there are like more Easter eggs in this. Trust me. We really you know, brainstormed about adding Easter eggs. So it's a quite a fun project. Did anyone find this? Probably. Well, not really, because we didn't hire anyone. So I guess no. Okay, this is a bit too robotic for me. Kinda okay. Why did you leave your job in Norway? Why do you know so much about me? I'm getting scared, bro. Who are you? You know about cool mod files, you know about many things, you know about my job in Norway and so on. What's going on, bro? Are you FBI or CIA? Something. Okay, what is this? There was someone who constantly viewed your profile on LinkedIn, and you asked them why they were checking on your file, so often you also shared their response on Twitter. Oh, I know you, I got you, man. How's it going? So yeah, I guess long time no talk. I hope you're doing well. So, why did I leave my job in Norway? It was not for me culturally and any other aspect. It was so exhausting, and it was just an internship. So, yeah, that's why. And living in Norway, oh wow, that was so depressing. Do you see my blog post about it? I wrote a blog post about why I was so depressed in Norway. It's crazy times. Yeah, there it's actually here somewhere on the third page or somewhere in there. Yeah, I found out why I'm so depressed. There you go. It was just kind of weird times in my life. It sounds very weird when I say in my life, because I don't think I have seen so much during my lifetime. I mean, not yet. We're still exploring, still learning, so you know. Okay, these logs are super crowded. I I only want to see the. I'm gonna panic. Not bad. Oh, Sonic music, no. I'm not in the mood for that right now. Okay, let's see. He's gonna panic, but I mean, hopefully he will panic we'll see something. Well, this music is actually really good now. I'm liking it. Okay, panic. Now, okay, mods, something. Tab, create new mode, binding mode 00. What is that? Actually, I'm not sure if I add... Wait, where did I go? Panic. Okay, oh, now how do I see my... Okay, now... Oh, this is not helpful because it says key code, whatever, C, that's correct. Kind of forget to update it here actually. The mode should be leader. Let's see. Okay, action is parsed. I only need to add leader to mode somewhere. Okay, modifier state. Okay, how about something like this? Very basic. Leader. And then mode will be binding mode, and it's gonna be leader. Yeah. And there's no such thing as binding mode leader right now, but you can always add it. But how do I add to this thing? Like, what the hell? Man, what? Why is this bit flags? Like, what? This is also good music. Man, this today is super nice. I like it. I like this music idea. Thanks, Knight. I don't quite remember your full name, but I don't want to expose you anyways. I like the vibe in this. It's kind of tonic-y. Okay, so I'm just gonna add another one. I'm just gonna, I don't know, leader something. So the real question is, how do I check for new? So how do I check for the leader key? So when I run this, I should be seeing leader somewhere. Okay, this music is a bit too much. Okay, tab, create new binding mode leader. Exactly. But still, I mean, how do I set the leader key? Come on. How do I do that? Let's find out. What am I doing? So it's actually using another struct called mode. Okay, I think I'm just gonna add another mode here. I don't know what I'm doing at this point, but let's try. Not sure if this is gonna work. Arithmetic operation will overflow. I don't know any bit flag stuff, man. What do I add here? What would be the next value on this thing? Okay, how is this being parsed? Okay, this is kind of. This is kind of promising, but I still don't know. Actually, I'm gonna add a print line here to see if this is the place that I'm looking at. Wait. It's very hard to navigate in big code bases sometimes. Did I remove the panic? In which module was it? Yeah, I don't even remember. Where is it? Where's the panic? Should be okay. I'm gonna just remove it. I'm gonna run this thing and see if we will get some log output. Not real log output, just println, but let's see. Alright. Okay, yeah, we get a lot of things. That's kind of scary, but okay. Let's see. I'm actually gonna log the binding directly. Okay, it goes through every key binding. I'm curious if this contains the leader key stuff as well, so I'm just gonna copy everything, hopefully, or I can just search in the terminal. Leader. Leader. Okay. No, it does not. Yeah, it contains the leader key. Oh, cool. So we kind of on track here. What is this music? Come on. This is the thing about cool mod files. You sometimes get weird stuff. Sometimes, you know, it's not. I'm not saying it's weird, but it's kind of not for this mood. So it's not fitting. Anyways, so we get the binding, and we check if it's triggered by something. And what do we get the binding mode again? Oh. This kind of techno stuff. I kind of like it. Okay, maybe I just need... Do you post on Hacker News? That website looks very old school and gnarly. There even no markdown support. Which website? Do you mean the blog? Or cool mod files? Which one? Oh, do you mean Hacker News? Okay. Yeah, I post stuff there. Okay, I think I'm on track, kinda. So I need to go to binding mode. I'm gonna actually add another mode to here, but I'm not sure what should be the next one. Maybe I can try like 30. I don't know, 30 seems a bit okay because it's skipped or something. I don't know why it is being skipped there, but yeah. And in here, simply I'll say leader and leader. So yeah, that should be good, right? I don't know what this music is at this point. Like, what is going on in this? What is the description? Another Gabber track. I'm proud of this one though. Low Ray Racer. Though the difficulty is a tad much. LOL. Composed to 2023. Alright, I see. So now if I press Ctrl B. Oh wow, it goes super hard. But I didn't set the... Oh, hold on. I didn't do anything about the leader key right now, so it won't work. How do I do that? Let's see. The leader should be something separate, actually. I see. Okay. This is, yeah, just converting it, so I'm gonna... This won't have any action. It will just gonna add add another key binding there, and it's okay. I get it. Okay, so it's gonna be some like some leader It's gonna be this thing. Okay, the autocomplete was pretty savage on that one. Oh yeah, the autocomplete is, oh my god. But anyways, kinda good. Like, but I guess it's not really taking the control stuff into account. Let's see how that's being handled. I can just use convert, right? Yeah, I can just use convert. Yeah, I can just use convert. Why am I trying so hard here? Finding convert and leader, right? And then I'm gonna just push to the key binding. I don't want to handle the errors for now. I think you can just unwrap it. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna work. Could you explain why people even use Hacker News? I don't understand it because the website itself is really bad in terms of design. So people use Hacker News because it's backed by YC, and that's pretty much a really big tech company, and they curate some news, you know, hence the name Hacker News, and people can post there. It's very simple. And there are like third-party apps that you can just use to browse Hacker News, and most people just use those apps. And it's just like a standard, like one of the standards when it comes to reading interesting articles or discovering new projects. At this point, I guess it has some historical value as well. I'm not sure. But yeah, and you know, being in the front page of Hacker News is kind of a thing, because it's being visited by a lot of people, and that's why a lot of people post there. So it's kind of like a loop in itself. A lot of people visit this website because a lot of people post there, and it's super easy to post. There's no like, there's not much of a restriction. So yeah, I mean, if you want to just browse the website, use an app like a third-party app, and yeah, some people use RSS feeds, and most of the time they post the external links. I mean, you can simply go to the website or whatever the link is and just read that. But I should say I have big respect for people who comment on Hacker News posts, because that's just next level to me. Sometimes people comment, like they have like discussions in the comments in the posts and so on. It's kind of mind-blowing. There's also no separation on topics on HN, or maybe I don't find it. It's just a big feed of everything. Exactly, it's just a big feed of everything. There's like show. I think there's a show tag on some posts, but that's it. Yes. So yeah, it's just hacker news, you know? Anything hackery, anything techy. So yeah. I just realized it's not working quite well. I want to remove that log thingy that I added somewhere. Where did I add it? Okay, there you go. I'm gonna actually go to... Oh, what is this music? This is what I'm talking about. Crazy. I guess that's the whole song, just a loop. I'm not complaining, I like this very much. That's hard. Hello, Mohammed. If you were asking what we're doing in this stream, I don't know anymore. What project are you contributing to? I am contributing to Rio. This is the project. It's a terminal emulator within Rust, and I'm currently working on adding support for a leader key while configuring bindings. So yeah. And if you want to like take a closer look, here's the issue link. I'm trying to understand. There's no like balance between the musics. One of them was super hard, now it's super chill. That's the good thing about cool mod files, guys. That's the point, right? Just cool mod files. Okay, process. I'm gonna check. Okay, I was I'm just gonna log the stuff that is being catched by this function. Let's see if it is able to catch the leader key. No. Actually it is. When I go the backspace, it catches that. Yeah, okay. And Control B, binding mode, control binding mode, not mode. Okay, could be. Okay, that's actually working. One problem is, okay, maybe it's just working for every key. No, it's working actually, but the problem is the binding mode is not correct. The binding mode should be something else. So maybe the conversion was... Oh, I kinda killed my terminal. Rio. Okay, binding mode 0. Okay, that's not correct. That's not correct. There's a problem in the convert function. It should catch the... Oh, okay, I got it, I think. Okay, got it. I'm gonna do something like this. Exactly. Now, when I do this, gonna... No, it's not working. What? It's not catching the binding mode now. Let me actually panic at this point again to see how this is being parsed. Man, this is too much debugging, you know, too much panic, too much println, goddamn. I imported the wrong thing, goddamn it. Let's see. Okay, binding mode leader. Now it's correct. Cool. But there's an issue in... Okay, is triggered by... if binding mode is... Okay, let's print out everything. Kip.
Welcome to Club Dance 2002.
Okay, it's not catching it. What is mode? Mode. Kinda interesting music. I think it's called acid techno or something. Not sure. Just gonna print the mode here. show cursor, whatever. Okay. So the mode is not being correctly passed to this. And how is mode being calculated? Get mode. Okay, so we need to actually change the state of the terminal. Basically, so when okay, it's kind of interesting because we don't have the mode of the terminal at the time that we press the leader key. And okay, interesting. How can I actually do this?
Thank you for listening to Club Dance 2002.
Really interesting music. So, okay, how do we get the mode? Okay, I might actually add a new action to this, and then process the action, and yeah, it's gonna be kind of interesting. But yeah, I feel like I don't have much brain cells left actually. I've been reading this code for the past hour or so now, 30 minutes. Bro is cooking so hard, hell yeah man. Would you mind sharing some tips or tricks to understand large code bases? Don't mean to interrupt your flow, try it. Thank you. No problem, you can interrupt the flow. I'm not flowing anyway, so it's fine. So what I do is, usually I heavily utilize search and fuzzy search as well, and also I'll try to like figure out, like, you know, if I want to find something in a code base, I would think what would I name this thing, then I search for that, or try to like, I don't know, kind of reverse my way into things and like try to figure out where to find things by, you know, just by thinking logical and like trying to find, anyway, so something like that. I'm too sleepy, sorry. I really liked the last song actually. What was it? Yeah, this one. Shout out to Christoph Schnecker. He basically like dropped his phone number if you wanna call him. That's the song. If you guys wanna like save it somewhere, it's super cool. But yeah, I think something like that. What advice would you give recent grad with CS degree who should spend more time contributing to open source or making projects? Of course, you know, always I think open source is really good and you can learn many things by doing it. But if you have like other focus areas, such as your studies or something, just, you know, focus on that. Or if you want to like find a job or something, you can like try those things, and on the side you can just contribute to open source, because that's the most like suitable way. Otherwise, open source kind of like takes your life, because you're like, it's super fun. You know, you learn many things, and then it becomes an addiction, and you don't want to like, you know, stop doing other things. But yeah, just do open source on the side always. That's my advice. That's what I've been doing. Right now I'm doing this full time kinda, but I think it's super fun. So yeah. So guys, here's the problem. When you like, in this code, we actually like get the key binding here, but it's not being processed, because at the time the binding mode is not set to leader. So we need to set the binding mode to leader at some place else, but I couldn't find that place, so I'm assuming it should happen here somehow. So yeah. So maybe I can assign some special property to the leader key somewhere. Where is it? God dang, default key bindings. I'm not sure actually. I'm just gonna ask the maintainer, because you know, I mean, I'm super stuck. Yeah, I just ask him. I don't know, guys. Sometimes it's better to get help. So yeah, I'm gonna keep looking at some issues right now. Let's see. I don't know what else I can do at this point. Actually, it's super late and I'm kind of sleepy. Should we just end the stream maybe? 10 people watching me right now. Hey guys. Are you guys enjoying the stream? I don't know what I'm doing anymore, sorry. I was just looking at some issues. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna actually check the maintenance of this project, because why not? It's been a while. It's not Rust. Sadly, it's JavaScript. Sorry. There's some good first issues. There, like 90% or 80% of the issues are good first issues if you want to contribute to it. So yeah. There's one bug which has been open since eternity. But yeah, it's been running quite well. I think this website, it's been 4 years. Jesus Christ. Wow. Time flies, dude. Time really flies. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end here. Gonna go to bed. And gonna, I don't know, prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is not a special day, but I have some stuff to finish. So yeah, when is Eurorust? Today is September 24 and Eurorust is on 10th, so I have like 2 weeks, kinda. I'm giving a talk at this conference, so that's why I'm checking out. So yeah, I have like 2 weeks, 6 days from there, and then 10 days. No, like kind of like more than 2 weeks, but it's good. All right, let me know if you come to Euros, we can catch up. But for now, I'm gonna go, guys. And at some stream, I really want to experiment with this little boy over here. It's an RTL SDR. I want to do some signal processing stuff. I have some antennas right here. Oh, I'm like, you know, I want to like do a lot of things, but sadly, the day has only 24 hours, so it's a struggle. Hello, Monkel, if you just catched up to the end of the stream. I'm gonna stream tomorrow as well, probably, most likely. And yeah, just trying to make this thing regular. I'll check out Algora because that website looked kind of cool for streaming. But yeah, for now, I guess that will be it from me. And guys, thanks for tuning in. Take care and stay tuned for more. Take it easy. Good night, good day, everybody. Bye.